Mallard's M-Elevation program brings your Carton Flow concepts to life. Our video tutorial will walk you through the process step by step to create your own preliminary Carton Flow system drawings. Start by clicking the New Project button. The first screen provides fields for the customer's contact information and project name so that it can be saved and used on the elevations. Click Save to save your M-Elevation file. Next, click on Carton Flow. Scroll to Product Line and select the product you want to work with. For this example, we will use DynaFlow HD or DFHD. Next, confirm or change your pitch and beam specs in the Step 1 Basic System Information box. For this project, we will change the beam profile to 4 inches, which is recommended for DynaFlow. Scroll to Depth of System and select your system depth. For this example, we will use 102 inches. Scroll to Step 2, Frame Configuration. Select Frame to Frame. The configuration for the system depth of 102 inches will be a 42-inch frame plus 18-inch flue space plus another 42-inch frame. Next, make any other needed changes in the Step 2 Frame Configuration box. Now scroll to Step 3, Levels, and select the number of Carton Flow levels you plan to include. For this example, we will use 4 levels. Scroll to Box Height and select the box heights for each level. For this example, Level 1 box height is 8 inches, Level 2 is 12 inches, Level 3 is 16 inches, and Level 4 is 20 inches. Next, make any changes needed in the Step 3 Levels box. Just click on the Notes button at the bottom of the screen if you have any questions. Click on the tab Plan View on the top navigation bar to create the plan view according to your project. For this example, we will use 100 feet area width, 100 feet area length, and a 12-foot aisle width. Next, scroll to the top and select Save to PDF and name the file. You can now view your 4-page M-Elevation document. You can easily go back and make changes to the saved file.